What's up, Sun Rays? Welcome back to the channel. It's Ray. If you're new here, welcome. Today I am going to be doing a wash and go, and I am going to be using the Mousse Def along with the Curl Origin Curl Hydrating Leave-In Conditioner. If you remember, I have used the Mousse Def before for a wash and go. Had a pretty good wash and go, but I used it alone. So this time I wanted to use it with the leave-in and see how it worked. And I chose this leave-in because a fellow YouTuber, Sherry Berry DC, used these two and she got a really good wash and go with it. And because this was in my to be used up, it gave me an opportunity to go ahead and use it up. So it is now gone. You will see it in my empties. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and start. I put the leave-in on my hair in the shower and my hair looks really good. It feels moisturized. It already looks defined. And we are going to go ahead and start with the mousse because I don't want to have to add more water if I don't need to. So I want my hair to be as wet as possible. And we're going to go in with the Mousse Def. So guys, cross your fingers that it works. So I'm getting ready to take a couple pumps and apply it to this back section. Now I know that I said in one of my videos that I'm getting a little bit more to put under here. I know I said in one of my videos that I was going to be doing more wash and goes with the Eco, and I am, but I wanted to see how this worked because I am going to be traveling and I am going to, I don't want to have to take a whole lot of product. So if I can just take a mousse and a leave-in to do my hair, that would be perfect. And then I'm also going to just be wearing my hair in a protective style like buns and things like that, because I just don't want to have to do a whole lot to it. I don't want to take a whole lot of gel and all that kind of stuff. So hopefully if this works, then I'll just, when I want to wear my hair out, I'll use mousse, and if I don't, then I'll put my hair up in a protective style. So that's my thinking, and that's what I'm going on in with this. I will say initially, I don't feel like I'm getting as much definition as I did the last time, but then again, I think I might be using a little bit less mousse too. So let me go ahead and try to use a little bit more mousse and see if that helps. Yeah, that seemed to have helped. So I'm gonna put just a little bit more on this section under here. And try to smooth more and break apart versus rake. So yeah. Alright guys, so I'm not going to talk a lot because you guys have seen me use this mousse before. If you haven't, feel free to go to this video here and you can see what I did the last time. But yeah, I'm going to go ahead and just get through this and you guys can watch.
It shouldn't be that hard. Dinner and a night out, but I was caught off guard. Now let me tell you what it's all about. 'Cause we need a little time. We need to think things over. You know it ain't no crime. I put you on my shoulder. We have a chance to make it better. And telling me I gotta read between the lines. Don't you worry, it's plain to see. We rehearsed so many times. I don't want another promise. I don't need one more regret. So gather all the missing pieces that our love tends to forget. We have a chance to make it better, and if we find it hard to say, like music made together, you will find a way. Come sing it to me. Come sing it to me. And I'll sing it to you too.
Okay guys, so I've added the product all to my hair. I will say, like I said, I feel like I'm not getting as much definition as I did the last time, but I could be wrong. I didn't go back and look at my other video, so I can't remember because I've used so many mousses, but I'm pretty sure I got more than this. It's feeling very soft and very fluffy, which, you know, I don't mind soft and fluffy as long as I do have you know, some definition. But this leave-in is very moisturizing, so I'm not really shocked. And because mousses are a lighter hold anyway, a lot of times they will say not to use a leave-in with the mousse, so you get the best definition possible and the best hold possible with nothing, you know, hindering it. And I used it alone last time, and this time I'm not, so I probably am going to have, you know, the leave-in is probably going to hinder it a little bit, but we'll see. I'm gonna sit under the dryer and I'll be back, so stay tuned. Okay guys, I'm back, and this is my hair straight from under the dryer, no stretching or anything, so it is kind of fluffy. There is some definition, but guys, it is so soft. It's that cotton ball type soft. I don't know, we're gonna see. So right now, it looks okay. I'm gonna let it cool off before I stretch it and everything, but I'll be back once I've stretched it and all that and let you see the results, so stay tuned. Okay guys, so I am back and I stretched my hair. Whew, I'm out of breath. I've been doing a lot. I wasn't able to come right back, but I am back and I did stretch my hair, and this is it. So, does have a little bit of frizz. It definitely has some definition. It is soft, and I mean cotton ball soft. So I'm not sure how long it's gonna last, but yeah, right now I like it. It's big, it's movable. I like it. It has some definition on the ends. So for me, this combination is great if I want to have big, beautiful, soft, fluffy hair on day 1 or even maybe day 2. I'm sure it'll probably last at least a couple days. But if you're looking for something that's going to last you 7 days, this may not work, you know, if you have hair that's similar to mine. Okay, I'll leave it at that. For some people, it'll work. For Sherry Berry DC, who did this combination, her hair looked really good. I think up to 5 days. I think she showed her 5th day hair and it looks really good. Now her hair is finer than mine. Her hair is a little bit looser curl pattern than mine, and you know, there you go. So and hers lasted. So go over, check out her video if you haven't, and see, you know, if your hair is similar to hers. She is in the Maryland, DC area, I think. So that tells you what her climate is, and you decide. But if your hair is a little bit coarser like mine, then you know, maybe you may not get as many days out of it. I'll say that. For me, I don't mind, because again, I would be using a mousse because I just want my hair to look good for that day, maybe the day after. And like I said, when I started this video, I was looking to see how it was going to look in terms of me taking these products on vacation with me and me being able to get my hair done and dried. I won't even probably sit under the dryer when I'm there because it's going to be so hot that I probably could air dry and get, you know, similar results to this. So that's what I was looking for. And because I'll be around water and stuff like that, I'm going to be wetting and probably, you know, doing my hair quite a bit, unless I do the protective style, like pull it out back in a bun, like I said, I may do as well. So I don't dislike it. It doesn't have a lot of shine. Now her hair had a lot of shine. Mine, to me, doesn't have a lot of shine, but it's not, you know, dull. It just looks like hair to me. You know, I like the fluffiness of the clumps and things of that sort, but that just goes to show that different products work differently on different types of hair. So not everything is going to work for everybody, and I wouldn't say that this is a fail because mine doesn't look like hers. Mine looks like mine, so I can expect it to look like hers, but I did want to make sure that the products work well together. They did. I didn't get any flaking or anything like that. My hair, like I said, is soft. It feels moisturized right now. I don't know how long the moisture is going to last, but I will say this. I was trying to use this up, so I didn't have a lot. So it is now empty. So I had to make this a little bit spread throughout my whole head, which is, you know, a little bit thicker. My hair is a little bit thicker. So when I added it, I was like, man, I hope I have enough leave-in. So I'm not going to blame it just on the leave-in if for some reason my hair doesn't retain the moisture, because like I said, I didn't have as much as I would normally use, and it is cold here. Okay, it's in the 30s here. There is snow on the ground, not covering the ground, but there is a little bit of snow because we had some flurries the other day, and so there is little patches of snow on the ground. So that's how cold it is here. So yeah, with me just using a leave-in and not a lot of leave-in and then a mousse, I won't be surprised if, you know, I have to, if my hair feels a little bit dry. I'll say that, but right now it feels good, and this is day 1 stretched hair. So I will be back on day 3 if I can. Okay guys, popping in to show you second day hair. I know. So I just took off my lock sock, my braid tube, my open cap, whatever you want to call it. It's the thing that you can put your hand all the way through. I've showed it many times on my channel. Please go search it if you're wondering. But I just took it off and basically just fluffed up my hair like this. Okay, it's very early. So yeah, getting ready to go out. So I just fluffed up like this, but I want to come on and show you second day hair because I'm not sure that this is going to last 3 days. If it does, I'll come back tomorrow and show you third day hair. But right now, when I'm looking at it, it looks okay. It has a lot of frizz and it really doesn't have a lot of shine, but it's okay. I mean, I could go out and run my errand, which is taking cotton to the groomer, and, you know, come back and I'll be fine. My problem is the feel of it, and it still feels soft and cottony. But it's something about it that I'm not liking. I'm not liking the sponginess or the feel of it or something. And last night it felt a little bit more drier than it does today. So, you know, I don't know. It's just something about the feel of it that I'm not caring for. But I will let you know. But I did want to let you see day 2. Just to give you an idea of what it looked like the next day and how it held up. And most likely it would look like this tomorrow, but bigger, but it would probably just feel drier and look a little bit drier. So we'll see. But if I have to restyle it to get me through, you know, the weekend, I want to give you something to look at. So yeah, so this is second day hair, guys. Now back to the video. I am going to go out on a limb and say, for me, when I did my hair with the Mousse Def without a leave-in, I do feel like I got a little bit more definition, and my hair did last, and my hair didn't feel real dry. So I can take it either way, but if I really wanted more definition and maybe a extra day or two, I would use it without a leave-in. That's me. I would use it without a leave-in. But if I don't care, like if I just need to go somewhere tonight and have my hair big like this, and then I could care less about tomorrow or the next day, then I could use it with a leave-in and feel confident in my hair. That is it for this video. So if you liked it, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye, guys.